Darknet, dark web, deep web, surface web. What are all these terms? Don't worry, I'll explain them one by one and also tell you how the darknet is key to our privacy. Starting with the surface web. It is the web which is completely indexed by the search engines. Like if you can access the internet, you can access the surface web. For instance, right now while you're watching my video on YouTube, you're accessing the surface web. Now coming to the deep web. It constitutes the 96% of the online content. The remaining 4% is the surface web. The deep web is not indexed by search engines. For example, if you want to shop online, you can simply search on any search engine like Google or Bing, and you will get a whole list of different online shopping websites because it is available on the surface web. But if you want to know somebody's credit card number, you won't get that on Google. It's not that easy. Because that information is secured with some password or encryption inside the deep web, which can only be accessed by the servers the owner has provided access to. So, in simple words, even when you are checking your emails by logging into your account using a password, you are surfing the deep web. Now, the most important, the darknet or the dark web, which are often used interchangeably, but there is a little difference between the two. Darknet refers to a network on the internet, whereas dark web refers to websites on the darknet. Dark web is, so to speak, a subset of the deep web that is intentionally hidden and requires a special browser like Tor to access. Tor stands for the onion routing. Like the onion is protected layer by layer, so is Tor. Let me give you a simple analogy. Suppose you have a message which you want to be delivered to your friend. But before reaching your friend, it has to pass through 3 servers on its way. Let us say A, B and C. The server A only knows that something has come from you and it has to be delivered to server B. B knows that it has come from A and has to be delivered to server C. The same is with server C. It delivers the message to the destination without knowing that it has come from you, and your friend then has access to the message. Thus, each server in the network acts as a layer of encryption for the message, and only you and your friend know what's inside the message. The Tor works the same way. You must certainly have heard of the dark web as the place of criminal activity, and it is, but not to the extent we know it. You will find all kinds of criminal activities like buying credit card numbers, illegal drugs, guns, or hacked Netflix account details. Almost everything is there. But that is not the purpose dark web is even built for. The Tor project claims that out of 2 million people who use Tor per day, only 1.5% of them visit the hidden sites. The majority of Tor users are those who use it to protect their privacy. In 2014, the Internet Watch Foundation found 31,266 URLs that contained child porn images. Out of those URLs, only 51 or 0.2% were accessed on the dark web. That means the dark web is not the only place of crime. The surface web is too. It all depends on the way we use them. As an analogy, if you allow a cop to break into your house and rummage through your belongings, of course not. But that's just what's happening to your computer and cell phone devices every day. Even the most trusted apps take our data with or without our permission, and they can access it at any time. It is our right to protect our privacy, and for that we need privacy and anonymity tools at all times. Tools like Tor and virtual private networks protect our browsing history the way to protect the darknet websites.